Hey guys, what's up? Chris with Drone Pro Academy here. Got something really special today. We have a virtual job shadow. Basically, I've got about 40 of these on Drone Pro Academy. I'm just gonna give you guys a sneak peek of what they're kind of like. Basically, I take you on the job site, I talk through the whole thing. You hear me talking to the director, talking about frame rates, talking about shots, kind of get a feel for how the whole thing works. So for this shoot, Devin Graham asked me to come out and help film for Subaru, filming some guys that basically do a base jump slip and slide off of a huge cliff. So here we go. Hey guys, what's up? I'm heading on my way to the shoot right now down in Moab. It's about a 3 or 4 hour drive. Shooting with Devinsupertramp crew, shooting for Subaru. We're gonna be filming base jumpers jumping off of a cliff, actually on a water slide, sliding off of a cliff and then pulling their chute, hopefully. So anyway, I'm just kind of thinking about how fortunate I am to be able to do this. I mean, be able to fly a drone and make money at it. Like, how amazing is that? And I've been really inspired and very humbled and very excited for a lot of members in our community. It seems like recently we've had a lot of members starting to get jobs and starting to get, you know, their demo reels up and going. And it's just so exciting to see that happen. And if you guys haven't had that first gig yet, it's a pretty amazing thing. And I think we can all agree to that. So if you guys aren't there yet, I just want to say keep pushing, keep flying, keep working on your demo reel, keep networking. It's not easy, guys. You guys can do it. It's an amazing thing. Go make money with your drones. Do it. All right, we'll see you guys later. Hey guys, what's up? So we're hiking down. Check out this vista. It's like a mini Grand Canyon down there. And so hiking down, got the Inspire, got a backpack with extra batteries and charger and stuff. They said they're gonna have a generator down here, so we'll see. But there's no wind right now, and that's what they need to do the jump. And that's what I need too, to not, oh, look at that. Look at that view. Nice. Anyway, cool stuff. Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to fly over the 500-foot cliff. We're gonna get some intro shots, and pretty intense. My nerves are going a little bit crazy, and I realized I didn't charge my controller battery, so super fail. Always make sure you double check that. I thought I did, apparently I didn't. Fail. So let's shoot maybe wide first, and then we can switch out for telephoto. I'm focused. 24p?
You can't do 60 at that, can it?
I think I do 30. I think.
Yeah, just do 24.
Okay.
Do that on the jumps, the raw.
Okay.
And then all the other stuff, you can just do it at the 422.
Okay. So with the 422, I can only shoot standard profile and log.
At 422?
No, I don't think so.
Just do it with everything raw. We'll just deal with it.
Okay. Oh man. Dude, that's a nice shot right there. Yeah, we gotta get some straight overhead, or like alongside, like a few feet away, just like right behind him.
It would be so cool.
Like right beside him. So it's like a glide cam height, but just continue off the edge and then follow him down. We might need to change our speeds for that.
To go faster.
Yeah.
Alright, we're good? Ready for countdown? Alright,
countdown. When you want me to start my move?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it! Woo!
Oh, follow.
I don't like that oh crap word.
He's good.
5,
on 2,
4,
right?
3, 2, 1. Jumbas in the house! Yeah, buddy!
Oh my gosh, Tyson!
Nailed it!
Woo! Alright guys, so we just got the 25mm shots. Now we're gonna get the 45mm shots. So I'm putting the tape on the filter here, making it work. That's how you do it in the industry. You just add tape, man. Sweet. And now we're totally balanced. Rock on. Usually with the Spire 1 I had to use this coin because they didn't have their gimbal balanced properly on the Inspire 1, but this one should be good.
Guns out.
Get ready.
Speeding.
Speeding. Everybody ready. 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
go.
You're going on 5 or 6.
7,
Or 4.
6,
Yeah.
5.
Here we go, full speed.
3, 2, 1, 2, What was this?
A triple.
6, 5,
I'm gonna start my motor.
3, 2, 1. Send it! Woo!
Yeah.
I think everybody's trying to go head up.
Boom, nailed it.
Yeah, that's epic.
Doesn't that look amazing? It's like a shot over.
Makes you want to only use this one.
So we're halfway through day 1 of the base jump shoot. Pretty crazy day so far. The weather has really cooperated. They were worried it was gonna be windy like the whole entire day, so really grateful for that. My first shoot with the Inspire, I've only flown it a couple times before this, just in my backyard. And I have to say, I'm really quite impressed with it. The power that it has. The flight time is just really nice, just to get lots of good flight time. It seems to hold the lens is really stable. We'll check it in post and see how the shots actually look. Usually with the 45mm lens, which becomes about 103mm equivalent, you usually get some jello. This stuff looks amazing, and honestly, I think we got some of the best shots I've ever gotten today. The super long lens, the 45mm Olympus, which becomes about 103.5mm with the crop factor. It feels like it's a full-size helicopter shot over gimbal, $500,000 setup or whatever, you know. It just seems amazing and super awesome. So it's been really fun. So we're gonna wait for golden hour for our next jump, and then we're gonna get a good intro shot, kind of probably with the 100mm lens on it, wrap around it. Super stoked on the gear. I need to get another one of these chargers, or maybe 2 more for future shoots if you need to be flying non-stop. Luckily we kind of have breaks in between. All right, we gotta hurry, guys. I'm running out of bats.
Okay, here we go. We ready?
Okay, camera's speeding.
Countdown. 10, 9,
On 3.
7, get stoked. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, get it! Woo!
Oh my gosh, yes, nail it. Woo!
Nice.
That was even better than the last shot. Woo! Oh shoot.
I was like, look at it. And
Dude.
you're about to hit it.
Dude, we're actually like 300 feet away from that cliff. Look at that. Look at it flying up there. Dude, that was the most amazing shot I've ever seen in my life. Hey guys, what's up? Morning of day 2. We made it back down here. Super windy today. Super windy, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen. But they're shooting some other stuff right now, and I'm getting my drone set up. You always want to make sure and get everything tested out in case it doesn't work, so that they're like, hey, ready for you, and it doesn't work. So make sure you do that. Gosh, it's a little bit of a drop off right here. Whew. All right, this might work out good. Okay, Devin. Whew. Okay, guys, the opening shot. What do you think, Ty? Okay, we gotta move spots because we got a shadow. So I'm gonna put it out here. I'm in GPS mode. I'm gonna momentarily lose line of sight. Okay, here we go.
Action! Action button! Okay, get that blanket.
Did you like it?
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, that sounds
Killer.
awesome, huh?
Yeah, I think it's good.
Man, that's a smooth shot, man. Cool. Oh, that the light looks amazing right now.
Okay, we're good.
Cool.
Good job, guys.
So pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna head down.
Come and shoot to our right this time. Your left. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Shoot out to the left. All right.
What happened, Chris?
Woohoo! So we just finished filming. Devin was going really fast for a dirt road. I was in the front seat and we were booking it with the 45mm, just cruising. So I'd start on one side of the car, we're booking it, and I wrap around to this side like really fast, so it should give you this nice, really cool parallax. It's super tight.
Literally,
How was it?
I mean, I was watching the footage and it felt like I was watching a car commercial. The whole time I kind of forgot that I was even filming. I wanted to buy a Subaru.
I already have a Subaru, so I'm already sold.
Boom.
Hey guys, so just finished the shoot, heading home right now. I've just been kind of thinking about some of the lessons that I could teach from this. One of the big ones is that when you're doing a shot, always rehearse it if it's kind of like a one-take thing, or you've got moving parts, you've got people moving or whatever. Always rehearse it. Me and Ty, my camera op, my first time working with him, by the way, absolutely amazing camera operator. It was so much fun. But we did rehearsals. So before the shot, we rehearsed the speed and the focal length and the distance, and we communicated exactly how we wanted it to be. Whenever there was a shot that we screwed up, it was because we didn't do that very well. We might have done it a little bit, but not enough so that we were both on the same page exactly. So that's very, very important, especially in those situations where you've got like one take to get a jump or something. Like Devin Graham said, it costs $1,000 for each jump that we shot. So he's like, don't screw this up. He said that after we screwed up one of them. So out of about 25 jumps, we screwed up about 2 of them. So, and parts of those 2 of them have usable stuff in them, but all the other ones are definitely usable and awesome shots. So I think we did really awesome, but the reason why we did awesome is because we communicated. So take that to heart. Communicate, communicate. If you're working with a director or director of photography or just your camera operator, you just gotta be on the same page. You know, try out different things. Like we would just try it out. Okay, I didn't like that about this. Let's move a little bit farther. Try that again. Okay, that was good, but let's raise a little bit this time. You know, so just keep working at it until you can perfect the move, so that when it's time, so that when it's go time, you can just go out there and nail it. So, super fun shoot. I haven't had this much fun in a shoot in a long time. I'm super stoked and pumped just with the footage we're able to get. It's gonna come out in a couple weeks, and yeah, it's just fun. This is like what I live for, I think. It was awesome. It was just totally awesome. So, hope you guys are doing good. If you have any questions, ask them on the Facebook group, and we'll see you guys later. Well, if you guys like that, check out the link in the description. I have a really awesome online training where I talk about how to get started with drones, how to make money with them, and talk about a lot of my cinematic shots that I use. So make sure you guys check that out in the description, and also check out the final video from the Devinsupertramp base jump video. We'll see you guys later.